Hey everyone, so today we've got something incredible and new. We've got a new drop that I've been waiting on for a long time. These guys just released from T. Henri. We got our hands on them first. It'll be a little bit to get to the videos, but I think you'll forgive me once we dive into them. So stick around, you'll want to check these out for sure and see what makes them so special. This is the Berlinette by T. Henri. All right, everyone, so let's skip all the crap and just dive into the beauty of this frame and have some fun with it while we're at it. So this new release is all titanium, beta titanium blends and alloys to get everything to where you've got a nice amount of flex, but incredible lightweight feel. And when I say flex, it is subtle. It's just enough to make it feel good, fit good, all of that sort of thing. Now, right off, I'm going to say it because everyone, you say metals and they blank out. They say, it's got nose pads on it. I don't care. Shut up. Sit down. Shut up. Ceramic nose pads or titanium nose pads. Actually, I need to ask Tyler about that. I don't know if they're using titanium or ceramic, but regardless, it is 18 karat plated along with the rest of the frame. The feel of these is much more comfortable than a traditional nose pad. Instantly, you put it on, it's kind of a nice cooling effect. The frame has a really good fit and balance to it. So overall, everything there is great. So you've got your titanium pad arms here. So you've got some adjustability to get those perfect on the bridge. Really, really nice with the little logo. Nothing ever wants to show up on here, but you do have the same crest that is on the front plaques on the acetate frames. This guy has been an endeavor in production. They've had to do a lot of work to make this happen. So drool over it with me and let's admire and take it in. The really clean arrow right here on the side, all exotic supercar inspired detailing on these. So this is the Berlinette, a little bit of Ferrari inspiration. Can I say that? I don't know if I can say that. Whatever. It is a frame. It is really cool sunglasses. Classic navigator vibes with that more flat bottom, a little bit more unique cut to it with the angle here and through here being a little bit steeper. Follows the bridge of my nose nicely. I've got kind of a fat nose, so whatever. This detail in the bridge, I think we're going to see that be a really cool signature look going forward. And I think a lot of people, it's going to be very love it or hate it, but I get a lot of signature design vibes from this. Really cool way to do it. And you can see here, actually, the level of detail in this sort of a faux bar across the top, almost like an old classic sweat bar, but all titanium. And this is actually a separate piece. It is not cut out and molded in the front. That is all jigged and welded on. So all of your details are separate. This guy right here, the attention to detail and the ability to construct this alone took a ton of work for the team, but it is absolutely beautiful. I love what they've done with it, especially in the anomaly colorway, which I don't have in this frame, but there is something about this colorway. We'll get to this guy later, don't worry, but this colorway is just stunning. This guy we have is, oh, I don't remember which colorway this one is. I am in trouble. You will all murder me. It'll be okay, but this is number 12 of only 75 produced in this colorway. I believe it's the Casino Royale colorway. Basically, a rose gold with silver detailing. Absolutely incredible. It is all 18 karat plated, as I alluded to earlier on, but this is the impressive bit. This is titanium. It is 18 karat ion plated, so the way this plating is deposited on the frames is really dense and really rich to begin with. This is the kind of finish you generally only see in high-grade jewelry, much less with the attention to detail. As I mentioned on this arrow bit, you actually have these slots in here that are color coordinated to the color of the chassis. Very, very subtle, very small detail, but makes a big impact there. You can see it really nicely. We get that flash of the rose gold through there, and then right back to that silver detail of the arrows. It's really cool how that works. All of this grooving cut out here, absolutely beautiful, but that is all inset with the silver to accent that rose gold. All these little things come together and just make a really beautiful frame. Even every screw on this is completely flush, seated down nicely. You don't really even feel where the screws are coming up from the other side. Just insane detail work. We haven't even gotten to the tip yet. But incredible detailing there. The only thing I'll say on this is the construction, beautiful. The detail work is incredible. This coordinates really nicely with the frames. We see the return of that hex head in the tip, which I don't think I'll be able to get. Yeah, there we go. So you can see that hex head and all of my fingerprints. Sorry. Yeah, there you go. So you can see a little bit of that. Just the hex head tip in the very, very back. I will say, going on and off, it's a little bit of a sharp feel there, but it goes on so well nonetheless. Could be worse. The tint selection on this one's incredible as well, and I'll say that for all of his. He's spent a lot of time doing the tint selects for the sun options, and man, it shows. There's very few collections out there I can go and I can be like, man, that's a beautiful tint selection. I don't know that I can come up with something better that's still really cool, but still really wearable. Yeah, I mean, we can always do anything with these, but the stock option is really, really good. Just admire the beauty of it, you know? I keep saying, and I keep meaning to say, the thickness of this plating is 1.2 to 1.4, depending on exactly where and what detail you're measuring, for the thickness of that 18 karat gold that's deposited on the titanium. And you've got a 4mm thick rim on the titanium, which alone is kind of its own feat. We haven't seen that really at all before. I'm sure someone's been seen, maybe Maybach. I know Porsche Design had theirs, but that was all cut and milled from solid block. A little bit different ball game with that one. Yeah, but anyway, all very custom. There's no template to make something like this, okay? And I want to say the production was pretty close to right around 2 years. Just ballparking that a little bit. But this guy here, this is one you'll want to add to your collection. They're not going to run these again. You know, this is it. And to have one of the incredible ones, this is, I know these guys are going to sell out fast. My verdict, pick it up. I'm not a huge fan of metals. If I'm saying it's a metal and you need it, oh, you need it. Trust me. If you watch this far, there's no question. The links are below. If I don't have them, they're on the T. Henri site. If they don't have them, sorry, you missed it. Better luck next time. That's all I've got on this one. Let me know your thoughts. Does it live up to something that should be a Ferrari-inspired nameplate of Berlinette? Come on. I think it does. What do you think? Is the detail work there? Is it worth, these guys retail right around the $1,800 area-ish, $1,500, $1,800, something like that. My brain is foggy today. This is what you get. It's Saturday. Anyway, I'll catch you guys next time. Let me know your thoughts on the new Berlinette, and if this is one you're going to be picking up or wish you could pick up, it's all the same. We love them all.